Never before have we been as demanding, as active and as much under pressure in our lives as we are today. Never before have we needed energy so urgently and rapidly. The price of a cocktail comprised of chemicals, water and sugar is our health. The market has been dominated so far by drinks whose principal ingredients are caffeine, sugar and a little bit of something else. This makes no sense. These drinks adrenalize you and cost energy. The overall effect is negative. Kinetto is a tasty alternative made from select and exclusive ingredients. The market is really crying out for another product. As far as our analyses have revealed, Kinetto is going down a new road. The Kinetto Energy Revolution, gentle, permanent power for modern mankind. A unique combination of the active ingredients from the most valuable providers of energy in nature. Unlike coffee, Guaraná is a smooth source of caffeine and releases it gently into the body over many hours. Genuine Japanese green tea, selected top quality, tried and tested for centuries as increasing concentration and cleansing cells. Black elder, rich in vitamin C, potassium, phosphorus and iron, all substances which the body requires for accelerated energy processes. Mate and ginger, hibiscus, stinging nettles and dandelion provide vital vitamins, trace elements and minerals. Only Kinetto is able to offer this beneficial and mutually complementary combination of providers of energy, which will activate your slumbering power reserves. My wish for the product is that it will be able to provide many people with this dynamism and inner energy. Kinetto is the intelligent power drink of the 21st century. Double energy, great taste, half price. Make Kinetto to go with your algae drinks when you're looking for an extra power boost during the day. This will enable you to live every day with the energy levels you wish, for more fitness, vitality and quality of life. I do a lot of sport. Kinetto is just the right product. You really get a long-lasting energy boost. Kinetto makes her top fit. She can work all day and still party hard in the evenings.